Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for Sleeping Dogs, where I'm going to show you how you can enable 3D display mode within the Sleeping Dogs game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Sleeping Dogs game on your device and you will be taken into the main menu. From here, go ahead and click on Options, and within the Options section, click on Display. Once you are inside the Display tab, you will see various different parameters, including the Enable 3D Display option. Just click on this option to set it to on. And now you can just save your changes, and if you have a 3D monitor, then you can start enjoying your game in 3D right away. You can turn off this option whenever you wish by going back into the display options and setting this toggle to all. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable or disable 3D display mode on the Sleeping Dogs game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.